Hey, what's up, Herd? It's Friday, October 18th. My name is Aaron, and this is your market update. Let's get on into it. Because Bitcoin is spiking above the downward trending resistance right now, we may get a breakout if we get any higher because we have some major liquidity around 68,684. Guys, right above that and below that, we actually have almost $300 million in liquidatable liquidity. And that is juicy for whales. If whales can push the price up into this, there could be a massive short squeeze that would send us well above $70,000 if we were to get that. I don't see a lot of extra liquidity down here. I do think this is the trajectory as whales tend to seek out these liquidity pockets and then either push through them or take it down to the downside in order to gobble up some liquidity below. So with so much gravity pulling us towards this $300 million worth of liquidity, I'd like to see it go there. And I'm sure you would, as well as it would mean higher prices for the entire market. If we can close a daily candle above 68,000, that would be absolutely phenomenal. In fact, right now, guys, it does look like we're heading towards that liquidity range around 68,700 at current prices of 68,173. Getting into Ethereum, guys, we're almost 1% up here. If we see Bitcoin break out, I'm sure we will see ETH break out as well. I'd love to see a new higher high here, as we have not made that yet, though we have made higher lows. Well, money flow does seem to be curling over, but yesterday is actually more towards the downside, and it looks like we could be curling up to the upside as far as whale money flow goes. Getting into BNB, guys, back in late September, we did see a higher high on BNB, and we are seeing higher lows for sure on this one. So look out for a bullish trend up to about 660. Solana up over 2% today, looking similar to Ethereum in that it has not made higher highs yet, but has made several higher lows. And if we can get above this inverse head and shoulders pattern that we have created here at 162, guys, I do think we'll be heading back towards the cycle high of 212. SWE making a nice move up as well, up 3% this morning, and I want to look at its sister Cetus here. Cetus is down over the last 24 hours, but in the last 6 hours is up 2.5%. It does look like Cetus will follow SWE if SWE goes up and to the right. If you've been watching my journey with this, guys, I'm making some sweet gains in concentrated liquidity on the Cetus Dex, farming both SWE and Cetus together. Though I did put in $2,500 in liquidity originally, and that is where we're currently sitting. I have $16 in pending yield here, and I've actually taken almost $400 in SWE, Cetus, Tether, and USDC. Getting into the elephant money ecosystem, Trunk sitting flat today. We did see a nice pump of about 20% up to about 16 cents. Currently sitting just over 15 cents. I hope that this can hold up, guys, and that if we can see some more movement in this ecosystem, we will see massive moves up and to the right on this. I know that BT is furiously working in the background, getting the new unlimited NFT 2.0 contracts ready to go so that we can start yielding on our NFTs with Trunk tokens, guys. Watch out, I do think that's going to be an explosive round. In fact, I'm very tempted to pick up some of these NFTs that are on the Tofu marketplace before that happens, as we are currently sitting at about 0.4 BNB for these. That's $240 per NFT, and the way that the new NFTs are going to be minted, each one of them will be essentially worth $350 based on the TVL that you have in futures. So I see this as a very nice discount, and if nobody else does in the next couple days, I will be sweeping this NFT floor myself. Now here's a quick look at GNME, one of our partners right now. We did bounce off of 7 cents, a low here for the last couple days, and currently sitting 132% up from there at 17 cents. Congratulations to anybody who bought the dip on this one. It has paid off for you very, very well. And I do think, guys, this is a nice place to accumulate because it once was support back here in the early part of the run. Now, my personal strategy is to buy some of the tokens at spot, but I'm also mining in this, guys. I have over 2,400 in hash power, and that is due to a lot of referral earnings, and I want to thank you all for taking up my referral code. Link in the description below for that. But that is the name of the game, guys. Each one teach one how to get some passive income in GNME tokens, and I do think this is going to make a run. As I know, BT and the founder of GNME are already doing some marketing for this project on VoskCoin's YouTube channel, but I also plan to host some AMAs on this, guys, so look out for that. We're still extremely early on GNME, guys, and I do think we could see a massive leg up towards $1 very, very shortly. So since it's Friday, let's look at the holder count for the Trunk token as well. And it's great to see that the majority of tokens are still wrapped up in the Trumpet contract. Guys, this is going to be a major growth factor for us, as it is an up-only contract for the price of Trunk and Trumpet. The second largest amount has been locked up in the wormhole bridge. That means this amount of tokens has been minted on the Solana chain, many of which are participating in our Save.Finance vaults over there. We hope to unlock liquidity soon, especially if the price of Trunk starts to move up and to the right. Next up, we have the Trunk to BUSD pool, which will be drawn upon with the supercharger and any buy and sell transactions that we have of the Unlimited 2.0 contract, guys. I do expect this to be massively volatile once that contract is launched. And then next up, we have the supercharger, guys, and this is going to be growing like crazy as Trunk is cycling out of the Trunk to BUSD pool and into that supercharger. As you can tell, I'm very excited about this new Unlimited change, bringing futures and the Unlimited contracts together to be one cohesive unit, guys, is our end game for the Elephant Money ecosystem. And I do hope to bring some clarity to this as we launch those contracts, as I'll be going through them in a tutorial-like basis in the next couple of months. With that, guys, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more content just like this. We'll see you next week. Have a great weekend. God bless.